entry step is important. Customers don't always think about it, but they do ask about it. Having some way to get in and out of your camper easily, safely, stability, it's important. You're going to need some way to get in and out of here. Stepping on the bumper, up into the door, rainy night, this is wet, not always a good platform. You don't have a lot of space there to step on and it gets slippery. On our option sheet, we have the option for a plastic portable entry step, just a Rubbermaid step, lightweight, breaks down into a flat. You can stick it on the camper floor before you leave, close the door, off you go. When you get to your campsite, pull it out, flip it down, you have a step to get in and out. If you're looking for an inexpensive step, this one works pretty well. If you're looking for an upgrade, something that's a little bit more stable, there's Hitch Steps that are available online. We sell them here. They're on our order form. This is an aluminum hitch step. Goes in your hitch receiver on your truck. Slides right in there. We'll pin, right now we have the safety pin in there. I'll take that pin out of there. This little clip here. Step will go in there. Has adjustments for different size holes. You can put your pin in there. Very stable, very secure. Grip tape on here, like sandpaper tape. It's a nice entry step for height, like a stairway in a house. The steps are very even from the ground. First step, second step, third step right into the camper. I've used one of these for years. I love it. Online, not through 4-wheel campers. They make these in steel, a little less expensive on Amazon. The aluminum one's nice because it doesn't rust. Very lightweight, about 7 pounds. Stable way to get in and out of the camper. And if you don't like either of these two steps, you can always shop around for something that you do like once you get the camper.